how to use this application here like a pro. So make sure watch for video, stay tuned. It's pretty much the home screen of the application. Very simple layout. And where you see the change location option, you can tap on that to pretty much see the server list, and over here you can go as well to get your subscription. So if you tap on buy premium subscription, you can see all the prices that they offer for their subscription. Do keep in mind you can have up to 5 devices and on one account. So you pretty much have to log in with this application here before you can even use it. So do make sure you log in with either Gmail account or email or even Apple ID or whatever the case is you gotta log in with. Here you do get a 3 days free trial with this application here, whether it be the monthly yearly subscription. So you can get to try their premium servers and so forth for 3 days. So that's pretty much it for that section there. In the voucher option, you can use and redeem this to get a premium subscription as well. So in the settings option, nothing much. You have this tunneling feature, you have the protocols which can change to kill switch option and auto connect feature as well. But these features do require premium subscriptions. If you don't have premium subscription, you won't be able to use those features. However, you can just tap on the change option here and pretty much go in on servers that you'll be able to use for completely free. So you won't be able to use the high speed server, only the free server option, and these are all the free servers that you'll be able to use. So all you have to do is, let's say for example you want to connect to USA, Dallas option here, just tap on that option. We'll ask for connection request. Let's tap on OK, it will start connecting in no time. Very easy VPN to use, and it is pretty much fast, but too much premium subscription for certain things that could be free, but it's a very good VPN. Anyways, if I missed anything in this video, please comment below. I'd love to help you guys, and I will see you guys in the next tutorial.